Hi all, welcome to All-in-One Uploads channel. This is part 2 Cosmos Scope Script tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to read data from multiple structure streams having same date pattern. Let's flip to Visual Studio. This is the code in previous session we have used to read the data from structure stream. If you not watched that video, please go through that video before coming to part 2. Now I will remove this code. Now here we will write code to read the data from multiple structure streams having same date pattern. Already I have a daily generated structure streams. If you observe that here we have a yearly folder and we have a monthly folders. This is a folder representing the July generated streams. If you go through this folder, we have a daily streams. See, if you open that, we have a employee details and here the date 1/7/2021. If you open that some other stream like 10th, we have a employee details with date 10 July 2021. Similarly, we have a data for August as well. If you open that any stream, we have a employee detail with date. Okay. Now I want to read the data from all the streams we have in July and August folders. Let's flip to Visual Studio. Let me create a date variables. This is start date, from which date we want to read the data. Yeah, we have a streams from July 1st. Here we have to give year, then month, then date. Similarly, we have to create variable for end date as well. We have streams up to August 31st. Yeah, we have to create variable for stream path, from which path we have to read the stream. See, if you observe that all these streams we have a same date pattern. Same date pattern we have year, month, date. Okay. And from users I am taking the path. This is the path all the streams we have, right? This is the date pattern 2021, and after that month, after that we have a daily streams. So I should take the path up to demo. And now we have to create the pattern. So I'm declaring variable for pattern as well. So what is our pattern? 2021, and after that month 2021 is a year, after that month we have, after that daily streams. So we have to create pattern like first we have year folder, right? So percentage capital Y representing the year folder. After that month, percentage small m representing month. After that demo dot, here again we have year, percentage capital Y, and month, percentage small m. After that day, percentage small d. So this is the pattern. Now we have to read the data from this path which streams having this pattern in between the start date and end date. Okay, now okay, employee details equal to s stream sparse stream set, and here we have to provide the stream set path, means stream path where our streams are available at the rate. Already we have created variable for that, so this one. Then pattern, for pattern also we have created. Okay, from pattern also we have created a variable, and we have to provide the range from which date to which date we have to read the streams. Range underscore underscore date equal to, here we have to provide start date and date. Start date already we have created a variable, and date already we have variable. Okay, once these lines of code executed, we will get all the streams data which are available in this path having this pattern in between these dates. All the data we will get into this variable. Okay, let's write output employee details to a string. Here we have to provide the output. I will write output in this folder, demo slash demo underscore monthly stream underscore July and August dot ss. Yeah, let's submit the script. Our job submitted successfully. Our job is running now. So if you click on this data tab, you can see all the input paths from where we are reading the data. If you observe that month of July, day 1, day 2, day 3. So all these are input streams. So up to month of August 31st, we are reading the data. These are the input streams we are reading the data, and this is the output stream we are going to generate. Our job ran successfully. Let's see our output. This is our output stream we have generated. Let's see the details. We have read the data from 1st July up to 31st August. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.